maybe tear it apart, take one piece at a time. That might work. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna stuff everything down in this corner, clean this up. I'll try to pull that stuff out, get that last tree, and then I'll check back in. All right, here's the new look here. Got that last of the tree out of here. Cleaned the debris off. I pushed a little bit of this top dirt into there. So, like I said, either way I need to build the dam up, even if it continues to leak. All right, getting ready to start the tractor work. Here's a look at the dam, what it looks at now. Got quite a ways to build it up before we hit the spillway over here to the right. All right, I'm digging a borrow pit over here. Looks like we got pretty good clay, about 4 inches down. I'll save this top junk for the top dressing in the back side of the dam. And then I'll pile up the clay and come back in with the tractor. They're calling for rain tomorrow again, so I'd like to get at least, a foot or more piled on that dam, so it don't blow over the top. So I'll get this separated, clay stacked up and ready, and see if I can't get the tractor out today yet, maybe. Carry on. Alright, now I'm piling clay. Really nice and clean, man. So far, very few. I haven't even seen a rock yet, surprisingly. Alright, carry on. Well, I forgot about my bucket level indicator, but I can still wing it. Oh, man, the ground is soft with these skinny tires. And of course it's wet. And I got no weight on the back. Let's try it again. My goal is to get some of this good clay on the top. Then I can get the excavator back on the top and reach the back. Clean that out and then go. Oh my gosh, woo! All right, that's as far as I'm going. I got a real narrow spot over here. Nice pond. It's definitely worth saving. I think I just take my time. It'll be just fine this way until I get enough over here for the excavator. Okay, so that's it. I'll be doing that for a while and I'll check back in when I got dirt, and then I'm going to transition back to the excavator. All right, let's give you another midstream look here. a little sketchy up here in a few spots. You'll see how narrow. All right, you'll see how sketchy it is. In this one spot right here, you see it's real narrow. It's like tires are barely in, but it's firm enough. So I got quite a bit of clay here. I'm gonna come in from the opposite side with the excavator and start working it. Then see if I can peel it back apart, put some of this clay down, compact it, and I got a little more clay I can still move with the tractor, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, so now what I'm going to try to do is clean. This is where the leak was in the back, or still is, I should say. I'm going to clean the junk dirt that I put back there, and I'm going to make an attempt to go down around into the woods here and try to kind of plug this from the backside. It's definitely usually not recommended, but for such a small leak, it could work. And even if it don't, it doesn't matter, because I'm going to be working on this all through this winter. And the leak is just super small. It's a tiny little leak. So, but my main goal is to build this dam high enough here so that over the winter, when we get all the rains, the water doesn't continue to come up and go over the dam where I'm sitting right now on the excavator. So that's really the main goal, but for now, that's what I'm doing. I'm pulling the crummy dirt out, and I'm gonna go down there, I'm gonna put some fresh, clean clay in there and attempt to plug it from the backside. All right, another load of clay here to move, and I may call it for the day. They're talking about possible rain tomorrow. Go figure, but it doesn't sound like heavy rain, so even if I get that another foot higher than what it was, it might be good enough. And I really want to get this stuff pulled out of here, so I'll be back out in the morning, because as this pond keeps coming up, I will not be able to get at least a bunch of that silt that I had piled from the inside. So one more load of clay and then we'll see, might be it. All right, now I'm all the way in the bottom underwater here, but I'm trying to get as much of this silt out as I can.